Hey guys, today we're playing Would You Rather. Wait, oh, I'm not wearing a shirt. Is this an ad? That's an ad. Yeah, I'm not wearing a shirt. Let's go put it on. Avatar. Clothing. Shirts. Bam. Rocking my monkey shirt. My t-shirt. You know what t-shirt? Oh. Okay. Get my bag. No, let's just go to outfits and click this. Oh, I took off my shirt on accident. Okay, I'm ready to play. Wait, where's my bird? Where's my bird? Great, I lost my bird. Come on. I'll find them. But I don't feel like going eat on camera. I'll find them. I'm good. Bye. I'll still play Would You Rather, just not right now. I gotta go find my bird.